This tutorial will show you how to configure the Ruuvi tag to forward data to uBeac's hook. Navigate your browser to hook.ubeac.io and click Create Endpoint. Then, copy this URL to your clipboard for use in later steps of this process. Now, download and open the Ruuvi Station application on your mobile phone. Click the screen to add a tag. Then, click on the MAC address of the tag. Check the alert boxes if desired, and return to the main screen. Click on the Options tab at the top left and select App Settings. Click to enable background scan feature at the top. Now, click on Gateway Settings. Paste your unique hook URL in the Gateway URL box and return to the main screen. Now, we are now done with the configuration of the Ruuvi application. You can return to the uBeac Hook website and verify your data is streaming in. Try to expand your data by clicking on each post on the left panel of the page. You can also choose to export all your data as a CSV file. Please note that the data can be displayed in multiple formats. Thank you for watching.